opening calm yet powerful tone you woke up today. That alone is your first victory. Before your feet even hit the ground, you've already been given something priceless. A new chance to fight. A new chance to win. A new chance to rise higher than ever before. Build intensity, motivational tone. Every day you wake up is another day to push closer to your dream. So don't waste this one. Don't scroll your life away. Don't doubt yourself today. Don't wait for motivation be the motivation. The world will try to slow you down, but your purpose, it doesn't sleep. Your potential, it doesn't take weekends off. You weren't born to be average. You were born to lead, to conquer, to build, to create something so powerful they'll remember your name long after you're gone. Mid-section direct, actionable tone. So today, wake up and set your goals. Move your body, speak power into your life, surround yourself with energy that ignites your soul. Do one hard thing before the rest of the world even opens its eyes, because success doesn't show up by accident. It shows up for the bold, the disciplined, the committed. Emotional section heart. Driven tone. Maybe you're tired. Maybe you feel like quitting, but let me remind you, you've made it this far. You've survived every storm that was meant to break you. And you're still here, still breathing, still capable, still chosen. Ending epic crescendo. So today, don't just show up. OWN the day. Smile in the face of resistance. Attack your goals with purpose. Walk like the future is already yours, because it is. This is your morning. This is your moment. This is your time. Go out there and conquer every single morning. You're given a gift, a fresh start, a blank page, a chance to write your story all over again. But most people don't see it that way. They hit snooze. They wake up already tired. They let the weight of yesterday define today. Not you, not anymore. From now on you rise with purpose. You open your eyes and remind yourself, today is mine and I will conquer it. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be committed. You don't need to know all the answers. You just need the courage to take the next step, because greatness isn't found in comfort. It's built in discipline. It's built when you show up even when no one's watching. It's built in silence, in effort, in the moments when you push just a little bit further than yesterday. So listen to this every morning and remind yourself, you are capable of more. You are not defined by your past, your doubts, or your failures. You are defined by your actions, your mindset, your fire. And today, you light that fire, not tomorrow, not next week, today, now, this moment. You don't need motivation, you need movement. You don't need inspiration, you need action, because nothing changes until you do. So get up, shake off the fear, walk into your day like a warrior. You've survived worse, you've come through fire, you've risen from pain. So what makes you think you can't crush what's in front of you now? Tell yourself, this is my day, this is my life. I will not waste it, I will not fear it, I will not lose it. You don't need permission to be great, you just need to decide. So stop waiting, start moving, and go conquer the damn day.